Wow, Chelsea. Kelly, I'll come to you.
I don't even know if I'm going to be able to speak is what I mean. I don't know how you managed to sing that, and I don't know how I'm going to manage to speak, because it was just, oh God. I've never heard it sung like that, so powerfully and so emotional. It really moved me, and I'm really glad that I came today just to see that performance. I've watched your videos online, but it's not the same. Your voice, hearing you live is just really something special. I just want to thank you for coming and doing that. It was just, I'm lost for words. It was just what a breathtaking performance that was. You know, it was amazing.
Louise?
Yeah, Chelsea, these will tell you I don't stand very often because I'm quite hard to please. But I had to, because it takes a really special person to be able to come up and perform a song that means so much to them. And the fact that you got through that and did it so effortlessly, you know, I've got to take my hat off to you. You've got such a stunning, powerful voice. And there was a moment in there as well where you kind of crossed over and like changed the position of your larynx. You went from that classical tone into more of a poppy sound, and I can hear you singing like a big Whitney ballad and stuff as well. You know, you could hear that you can do that crossover, and I'd love to see that side of you, but also the classical opera side is so beautiful as well. But the raw emotion in that, I've got to give it to you. It was a stunning performance. Well done, darling.
Chelsea, yeah, I mean, I think everyone in the room, I kept looking around actually over to Gracie and the family and that too, and even they were like blown away by that. And it really was, because last week I explained to you like the sort of style and technique you've got is very hard to sell in the music industry, because it's one of them ones that's overrun and is not popular. This is not the sort of sound you hear in the charts and things like that. And when I said to you, it's about taking on songs and really putting that into them, and you've done well by bringing this to the table for Emotionally Connecting this week, because that is exactly what I meant last week, where you managed to take that song and put your spin into it. And in all honesty, I felt like it worked more than any other version of that I've ever heard. It felt like that's how the song is meant to be done. That's how good it was. I loved the crossover between your voice, where you was flowing from one to the other. And this is a very special moment. I know, we just sat you in the middle of a venue in Tredegar, but that is one of them moments that will live on. And I generally feel like if you carry on like that, you could definitely get to the end of this 100%, because that was special. It was very, very special. Honestly, Chels, you've outdone yourself tonight. That was incredible. And I know she would be proud, honestly, because that was another level completely. Well done. Stunning. Round of applause for the guys.